We split off from the pack. They went to the lookout in this weather. I don't know if they're going to see much, but we're going straight to the beach. Me and my big umbrella friend.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Good is Whitehaven Beach.
Ah, paradise. Just like the brochure.
Yeah.
Nothing but white sand and sunny skies.
I'll come back though, it's good.
Oh, I'd come back.
Nah, it's pretty beautiful.
Say cheese. Click.
your holiday, guys. Appreciate it. No, thank you.
Why did you do this?
Why did I do what?
Why did you do this?
It's called fashion, sweetie. Look it up.
There we go. You locked me in for a wedding before you put on this outfit, didn't you?
You know it.
Show me. What's the thought behind Shrek? The Shrek top.
It was a bug.
I don't even know what to say. Welcome to the swamp.
Yeah, welcome to my swamp. What are you doing in my swamp?
It's literally like it is actually
Swampville.
the swamp.
It's been raining forever and it will continue to rain forever.
The ducks. Okay.
On this week's episode of Kimmy's Cooking Adventures, we have fettuccine bolognese with a tomato puree reduction.
I'm so lucky. I'm such a lucky gal.
Served
With a fork?
some pureed
No.
caramelized onion and balsamic and cashews. Don't fuck the Ray Romano.
Yeah. No. Call roadside assist.
Googling the number. What happened?
I think we ran out of petrol.
Where-
I hope that's what it is.
Where'd all the fuel go? Who's been drinking the petrol?
No, cover the Shrek top.
Oh, this mango is so big.
Where are we?
We're in Bowen at the big mango.
Yeah.
We ran out of fuel, but we got fuel.
We did. Ah, look.
Kim spent the day working in
and
the
I
car.
needed the aircon.
Left the car running for about 6 hours, and then
It was no.
we've left the caravan park a few days later with no fuel. And anyway, we're at the big mango now.
Look at it. Just look
So
at
big.
it.
I tell you what, nothing gets people going like a novelty-sized fruit.
Glad you love them.
I love the big mango. We've seen the big pineapple, the big mango, and the big banana. Oh, and the big giraffe. Can't forget, that's not a fruit, but can't forget that. What's next? I think I'm saying.
Oh yeah, you're snacked.
It's a big watermelon. It's a big pumpkin.
Get in, we're going shopping. Okay, what are we cooking?
We are cooking T-bone steaks, corn, mushrooms, and onion. And we've just run out of gas. How is it?
Hell yeah.
Obviously.
Can I help you?
Yeah, just one with onion, thanks, mate.
This is not a bunning sausage.
This is the video diary for the 10th and maybe the 9th. What did we do on the 9th? 2 days ago. That was definitely the 9th with Thundercat, the Thundercat. Thoroughly enjoyed that. It was rainy, but we got to see lots of waterfalls that you wouldn't normally see if it was sunny. And then we went snorkeling and just saw heaps of fish, and they were feeding fish, and there was a fish literally the size of like pretty much me. I'm not even kidding. It was fucking massive. And some other pretty big ones, and then just heaps and heaps of like still edible sized ones. But anyway, that was cool. The reef was cool. Yesterday we got to where we are now. So we are near Townsville, or in Townsville pretty much. We went past the big mango and we did a lot of fishing in Bowen yesterday. It's been really wet. It still is wet. Yesterday we were driving through what felt like an ocean, except it was in the sky, which was crazy. We found a coconut. It was good. We're still eating passion fruits from the other day. Hopefully it gets sunny again, but the forecast is not looking great. I guess that's why it's the wet season, hey?
That is okay.
It's okay.